3, 2, 1.
Okay, so today we're going to Aqualand. Excited? Yeah. So we're going there, we're getting picked up at 9:30. And we're going to have a cheeky breakfast at Tiffany's. How you boys feeling? Huh? Tired. Why are you tired? You'll be going out partying, should you? Well, we'll say we'll see you in a bit. Bye.
Starting now, we're breaking out, but I'm not leaving without you. This could be our one chance. We'll send a postcard when we're through. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. If it takes all day or night, hand in hand we'll both arrive. You wanna see the sunrise, starry nights and endless seas. We're writing our own story. Let's go and make this what it's meant to be. Let's scream it out. Let's go and make this what it's meant to be. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. If it takes all day or night, hand in hand we'll both arrive. Do you feel your heartbeat? Do you feel
I'm just gonna get a few videos for Dad.
Cause you're standing next to me. Do you feel your heartbeat? Do you feel the warmth beneath your feet? Cause you're standing next to me. Yeah. Cause you're standing next to me. Oh, get there together. We'll get there together. I'll meet you at the starting line. Don't you ever leave my side. We'll get there together. We'll get there together. If it takes all day or night, hand in hand we'll both arrive. Yeah, hand in hand we'll both arrive. Hand in hand we'll both arrive.
No, you'll be fine. I feel great, Buzz. Will you be fine? Wait, Buzz. Buzz. Whoa! Get out of here!
Right, so boys, Aqualand, what do you reckon?
Really good.
Really good. Right, we're in at Mas Palmas now. We're going to have a look at the sand dunes, have something to eat, and then we're off to Holiday World. Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, you excited, Carl.
I am, yeah.
So let's go. Okay.
I know you think she's sweet as candy. I know you wanna be with her. But Josie got a reputation to scratch behind that purr. She's got her little game perfected. She'll let you think you have control. And then one day when you least expect it, she'll steal away your soul. It's so easy when you think you're winning, but she's got herself another plan. You think you're being clever like a modern man, but Josie has the upper hand. I know you're not to blame, and there's no shame in falling for her siren. But while you're still a man, you better get out while you can. I've been hungry for days. looking for ways to get on. Look what my struggles pay. Praying for the rain to stop. Praying for a fair heat, you know. I've been looking for ways to get on, but my hunger won't bleed. But then, when it couldn't get any worse, the tables turned, and now I'm staring down my way to get up. Such a beautiful scene. Now the tables have turned for the better, not worse.
Okay, so we are in Holiday World and we're just about to head to the escape room. Never done one before, don't know what it's like, so join us, see what it's like. Who wants to go inside?
You cannot record it and you cannot make pictures.
Oh,
okay?
sorry, yeah,
I'm
my
sorry.
bad.
I don't like being this side. On that side, I don't like. I don't like this side at all.
I'll go that side if you want me to.
No, don't move. Just, oh my god.
No, I don't want to move.
Dad, look down.
No, don't look fucking down.
Are you scared?
Nah. I'll be fine.
Not for me.
Look
Never stop to see you cry. I never listen to your tears and praise. Oh no, I never stop to see you try. I never listen to the words you say. Oh no, I never look your eyes of sorrow. I never listen to your cries of pain. You give your loving, I don't care. I'm sometimes foolish and so vain. Oh no, I never told you that I love you. When all you did, you took from me. But honey, if you ever leave me, I'll never make it up, okay? Oh no, oh no. Oh no. I never stop to see you cry. I never listen to your tears and